Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. It's 40 degrees in this bitch right here, but we cooking. We still cooking. Is this recording? Yes, it is. We still cooking, okay? Um, Consistency is kind of fucked because the trade was really big. As you can see, 4.5 risk to reward ratio. Like, less. It was like 2 take profit, so probably like four risk to reward, so a 4 RR trade or 4.1, something like that. But still a lot. Lost a trade before this one. Okay. It was the right trade actually. My take profit. My stop loss was just set wrong. Actually, my stop loss wasn't even wrong, to be honest. I just moved it because I was scared. I accidentally risked too much. It was like right here. It wouldn't have been triggered actually. It was right here, okay? And um the units that was typed in led to the risk being 300 and something dollars, and that's way too much. I usually risk like 400, 250. This would have been my take profit. It would have been hit, bro. Perfect trade. It would have been very clean trade. But the problem is, like I said, the risk was way too high. Let me show you guys. I usually risk 250 on this account right here. It's a 25K funded account. Stop loss would have been theoretically right here. It would have been even more. Or wait, is this how many units? 3 units bought, okay. So with 3 units, it would have been $361. $100 more than I wanted it to be. So then, after this close right here, I was like, I might have to move my stop loss a bit more higher because like it was 60 bucks that would have saved me, you know what I'm saying? But it was a stupid decision. Should have just hold on to it around here. 300, it was like 350 to $360. And I would have made, okay, I would have made way too much, bro. I would have had to close around here somewhere. Why? Because of the consistency. The consistency is fucked up. If I would have had, wait, how does consistency actually work? If I were to close the trade right here, okay, instead of up here, my take profit, my real take profit would have been up here, okay, at these highs. If I were to close the trade right here, okay, at around $700, then re-entered, okay, bang, re-entry right here. Oh, oh my god, bro. What the fuck? I just thought, bro, holy shit. Um, bro, I was fucking scared. Um, Wait, again. So 3 units, bang, right here. Take profit up here, okay? Around 700 bucks, okay? Then I would have been up around $100, $120 from yesterday, so I would have been up $800. And then let's say consistency is there, okay? So I need $460. You get what I'm saying, probably. Like, you're not stupid if you're watching this video. You're probably like more into day trading, okay? You understand what I mean? So now I closed the trade fully right here. Now I re-enter the trade, okay? Now I re-enter the trade right here without any confluences, which would have been mad stupid, whatever, bro. Just for like the example. And then I enter the trade right here, and then I go again for these highs. Does that should count as a new trade, so the consistency would be fulfilled, right? Yeah, it should be because it's a new trade, or is the consistency like a daily consistency? I don't know. I don't think so. I think this would have actually worked, and I would have actually passed the account probably. Um, that would, yeah, okay, interesting. I need to keep that in mind. I never thought about this actually. Okay, so basically, stupid loss at first trade should have been a win actually. Pretty simple trade. As in divergence right here, sweeping out some lows. We in a bullish structure on both of the indexes. We got these highs up here, which are really fucking obvious that you want to take them out in this bullish scenario. And then as in divergence, sweep of liquidity. I guess also a retrace, but which I didn't actually count, but retrace. Then low time frame retrace, bullish close, entry, bang. Actually, I got filled way higher than I should have been filled. Interesting. It would have actually, if I entered the right way, Oh, that's the reason. Okay, okay, I got it. That's the reason I risked too much, probably, because I got filled higher. Is it? Oh shit. What the fuck? I'm hearing some sound. What the fuck? Whatever. My point is, yeah, okay, that's probably the reason why the risk was so high. So yeah, take profit should have been up here. Wanted to take profit to be up here. Stop loss should have been was down here. Then I moved it because I was scared of like the risk was just too much, bro. I don't know, like whatever, bro. Re-entered right here on yes. Why? Because we went down. Another thing divergence created, as you can see, bang. Went down here. NQ stayed above here. And I was like, hey, why the fuck not, bro? Let me just enter this bitch. Entered, stop loss below it, take profit, wanted to take profit to set it right here. But then I was like, NQ is going to take out these lows. I'm very, very convinced of that. So why not wait more? Then I was like, okay, let me maybe put a take profit at 0.618. And when we reached the 0.618, NQ was still like had still a big move to make to take out these highs. So I was like, okay, let me wait more. I took some profit right here, so I closed 4 units. Why? Because I realized that if I hold on to the full position, then the consistency would have been fully fucked, right? I would have had to make way more money. So I closed half the position right here, let the rest run, closed it when NQ hit it, and um, it was actually it wasn't actually NQ. It was actually did this bit right here, expansion, and then I set it right a bit below the 2.414. But it was at the same time, so that's why I just let it do it. It's do its thing, and also because of the consistency still, because the consistency would have been fucked really, really bad. And is there anything else to say? So yeah, one loss, one win, made back the loss plus $489 on top of it. I'm up $718, which is a bit more than halfway through the account. Um Consistency is now at 400 and something dollars. We just checked it. $462, which means I risked $250 on a trade on the next trade if I hit a 1.5 risk to reward. No, a bit more. Okay, so I probably need like 2 trades to make the money back, the consistency, and probably also 2 trades. A bit more probably, like 3 trades, 2 to 3 trades, and we got the consistency and also 2 to 3 trades if you want to pass the account, if I don't lose in between them, which is let's just see, bro. I don't know. Let's just see, bro. I don't fucking know. But yeah, doing good, doing all right. Happy with the results today. Happy with the what's it called, like looking into the future. What do you say? Prediction, right? Happy with prediction. Followed my plan really, really nicely. Thought about it, where I want my take profit to be. Stupidity made me move my stop loss right here. I don't know. Look, bro, was this the right thing to do to move my stop loss? Because I either, like, on both occasions, the risk would have been way too high, anyways. Hmm. But losing $350 or $300, I lost $308 on this trade. Bro, I made like $900 on the second trade. I don't know. I don't know if it's. I don't know what would have been the better move to do. If like, I don't know. I actually don't know. I need to think about it. I might ask ChatGPT, bro. But yeah, still good day. Really, really nice that I kept in mind with the consistency thing, and also that I checked now how consistency actually works. So I need to keep that in mind too for the next few trades. Showed you the proof that I actually took the trade, didn't I? Yeah, here, right here. Trade away, it also shows the trade away. You can see the arrows right here. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, 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 bang. Right here. Bang, bang, bang. One, two, bang. Perfect. Yeah. See you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye. Ski. Dirt.